Hello guys, hi, it's Heather. Thank you so much for being here at the channel, Me and The Kiwi. I very much appreciate you being here. One of the questions, actually the main question I get asked all the time is, how do you afford this lifestyle? How do you afford to travel? How do you afford it? How do you afford it? How do you afford it? So number one question. And so in today's video, I'm gonna actually talk about exactly that. Now, in previous videos, I talked about ways that I make money on the road. Everything from teaching English online to doing DoorDash to doing brand ambassador gigs, doing Fiverr, Upwork gigs, writing, all of those things. But the truth is, the real secret sauce is two words. It is no debt, debt-free. I am debt-free. I have always been debt-free. And when I say no debt, I literally mean I have no debt. I have no credit cards, no student loans, no mortgage payment, no car payment, no payments. And when you are without debt, you are free. And it's a very un-American way because this country is so inundated in debt. We believe in debt. We strive to be in debt. And that's not to say that I don't have things, because actually I do. This beautiful property that I'm on right now is paid for outright. We own it. I have 2 college degrees. I have a vehicle. Travel is actually a state of mind. It is not a state of finance. And so is debt. So when I was a kid, I used to go visit my grandparents in the summertime. And I kind of hero worshiped my granddad. He was super cool. He was this big mountain of a man. He played pro baseball, and I just hero worshiped him. And I would wait at the mailbox for him to come home after work. And he would come home, he'd open the mailbox, and if the only bill he had was a power bill, and if it was in the mailbox, he wouldn't even put his lunchbox down. He would just take my hand and would walk back to the power company and pay that bill. What I learned from that was that to be debt-free, you don't always get to have everything instantly. I mean, sometimes it's just annoying. It's like, oh, I have to wait to have, the time with my granddad. That particular mindset has taken me through my life. And that is why, I'm just having this joyful life. It's about living tiny and living intentionally. So that mindset began for me there. There's 2 books I'm going to recommend. I am not a life coach. I am not a financial guru, but I am a huge reader. So I recommend reading the Tony Robbins book, Awaken the Giant Within. It's all about mindset. It's all about opinions, beliefs, convictions, how to change your mind. And the other one for finances I really like is Dave Ramsey. I still read his work and listen to his podcast. Everything in his message doesn't necessarily resonate with me, and that's okay. But the message is super solid, and I think it's just a really great way to help you get started on your own debt-free journey. I promise you that when you have no debt, you will be free. So thank you so much. I would love to hear about your experiences, and please leave a comment below. Hit subscribe if you dig the journey, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Cheers.